A gentle massage is more than just a sweet moment with your little one. It's a beautiful way to nurture and care for your baby, creating a serene environment where they feel safe and loved. It's a powerful way to connect and show love. Through the gentle strokes and soothing touch, you communicate warmth and affection, strengthening the bond between you and your baby. Massaging your baby helps them relax. The rhythmic movements can ease tension and promote a sense of calm, making your baby feel more at ease and content. It can soothe your baby and help them sleep better. A gentle massage before bedtime can be part of a calming routine that signals it's time to rest, leading to more peaceful and longer sleep. Touch is crucial for a baby's development. It stimulates their senses and encourages exploration, helping them learn about their own bodies and the world around them. Massage can stimulate their senses and help their little bodies thrive. The physical contact supports muscle development and coordination, contributing to their overall growth and well-being. It's also a special time for bonding. These moments of closeness foster emotional connections, making your baby feel secure and cherished. Skin-to-skin contact deepens the connection between you and your baby. This intimate interaction is essential for emotional and psychological development, reinforcing the love and trust between you. You'll cherish these moments of closeness. The shared joy and laughter during massage create lasting memories that you will both treasure. Plus, massage can be a calming experience for you too, Mama. It provides a moment of tranquility where you can unwind and connect with your baby on a deeper level. It's a chance to unwind and embrace the joy of parenthood. Taking this time to focus on your baby allows you to appreciate the simple yet profound moments of being a parent. This loving touch is a gift you give each other. It's a beautiful way to express your love and care, creating a foundation of trust and affection that will last a lifetime. Creating a peaceful environment for your baby's massage is essential. This helps in making the experience more enjoyable and beneficial for both you and your baby. Find a warm and comfortable spot in your home. It could be a cozy corner in the nursery or a quiet area in your living room. A soft blanket on the floor or a changing mat works well. Ensure that the surface is clean and free from any sharp objects that could harm your baby. Make sure the room is warm enough so your baby doesn't get cold. A comfortable room temperature is crucial for a relaxing massage session. Choose a time when your baby is calm and content. This will make the massage more effective and enjoyable for your little one. Right after a bath or before bedtime can be ideal. These times are when your baby is usually more relaxed and ready for a soothing massage. Always use a baby-safe massage oil. This ensures that the oil is gentle on your baby's delicate skin. Look for natural oils like almond or coconut oil. These oils are not only safe but also nourishing for your baby's skin. Avoid using oils with strong scents as they can irritate your baby's delicate skin. Unscented oils are usually the best choice. Never massage your baby right after a feeding. It's best to wait at least 30 minutes to an hour after feeding. This can make them uncomfortable and fussy, which is not ideal for a relaxing massage. With a little preparation, you can create a truly soothing massage experience. Taking these steps will help ensure that both you and your baby enjoy this special bonding time. Lay your baby down on their tummy. Gently stroke their back with your fingertips. Start at their shoulders and move down towards their lower back. Use smooth and flowing movements. Avoid any pressure on their spine. These gentle strokes can help improve blood circulation. They can also help relax your baby's muscles. Back massage can be very soothing for babies, especially if they are fussy or colicky. It's a wonderful way to ease them into a state of calm and relaxation. You'll love seeing your baby's contentment as you massage their little back. Section 4. Little Limbs, Big Love Arm and Leg Massage. This section is all about nurturing those tiny arms and legs with gentle, loving strokes. Now gently turn your baby onto their back. Make sure they are comfortable and relaxed. Let's move on to their arms and legs. These massages can be a wonderful bonding experience for both you and your baby. Hold your baby's arm gently. It's important to be soft and tender, ensuring they feel secure and loved. Use your fingertips to stroke from their shoulder down to their wrist. This helps in improving blood circulation and muscle relaxation. Repeat these strokes on their other arm. Consistency is key to making your baby feel balanced and calm. You can also make small circular motions on their palms. This can be soothing and can help in developing their sensory skills. Gently rub each of their tiny fingers. This delicate touch can be very comforting for your baby. These movements can help relax their muscles and stimulate their developing motor skills. Notice how your baby responds positively to these gentle touches. Now let's move down to their legs. Just like the arms, the legs also need gentle care and attention. Gently hold your baby's leg and use long strokes from their thigh down to their ankle. This can help in relieving any tension and promoting relaxation. Repeat on their other leg. Make sure to be as gentle and loving as you were with the first leg. You can also make small circular motions on their feet. This can be very soothing and can help in developing their tactile senses. Remember, the goal is to make your baby feel loved and secure. Enjoy these precious moments of bonding. And there you have it, a wonderful way to bond with your baby while promoting their physical development. Remember, the key is to be gentle and attentive. Thank you for joining us in this beautiful journey of baby massage. Until next time, take care and happy bonding.